This isn't just a Mustang, this is a 1966 Fastback reborn with a 302 V8 and converted to right-hand drive, turning an American legend into a world-class street weapon. If you think you've seen a clean 66 before, think again. This one changes everything. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel. Today we're diving into a masterpiece that feels less like a classic car and more like a rolling legend, an icon that has shaped American muscle culture for nearly 6 decades. I'm talking about the 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback, but not just any Fastback. This one is something truly special. Right-hand drive, smooth automatic, packing the upgraded 302 cubic inch V8 heart that transforms this classic into a modern cable street weapon. This is the kind of machine that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. The kind of car people hear before they see and remember long after it's gone. The 1966 Fastback is the shape that defines a generation, the long nose, the sweeping roofline, the elegant Fastback rear glass that drops straight into that sculpted tail. It's a silhouette recognized everywhere from Hollywood to hometown car meets. But this one has been reborn with intention. Every detail carefully chosen, every inch refined, every upgrade executed to honor what the Mustang was while elevating what it could be. You get inside and you're greeted not by the original left-hand layout, but a beautifully engineered right-hand drive conversion that looks so integrated, so clean. It almost feels like Ford built it this way from day one. And then there's that engine, the legendary Ford 302 V8. While the original 66 Mustang came with engines like the 289, it was the later 302 that became the backbone of Ford performance through the late 60s, 70s, and beyond. Dropping a 302 into a 66 Fastback isn't just an upgrade, it's a spiritual alignment. It gives this classic the torque, throttle response, and reliability that make it feel alive today. Turn the key and the engine doesn't merely start, it awakens. A deep, rich growl fills the air, one of the purest sounds in automotive history, a sound that reminds you why people fall in love with V8s, why the Mustang became a cultural icon, and why this Fastback stands apart. Driving a right-hand drive Mustang is an experience of its own. You get all the presence, all the heritage, all the emotion of a true American muscle car, but with the comfort and confidence of driving on local roads where RHD makes sense. The steering feels connected, with that classic Ford charm, light enough at low speeds, steady and confident once you're cruising. The automatic transmission makes the drive effortless. Whether you're rolling through the suburbs, cruising down a coastal highway, or gliding through a night-time cityscape, this Fastback just wants to stretch its legs. Slide your foot onto the throttle and that 302 responds instantly, smooth but powerful, confident but not overwhelming. It's the kind of power that makes you smile every single time. And the soundtrack, pure American V8 thunder, echoes beautifully from that Fastback body. It's a car that invites you to roll the windows down and let the world hear it breathe. Inside, you get that beautiful blend of retro charm and upgraded refinement. The signature Mustang twin-pod dash, chrome accents catching the light. The gauges framed perfectly in front of the driver. The cabin smells like a mixture of leather, fuel, and nostalgia, exactly what a real classic should offer. Every detail reminds you that you're inside a car built long before computers, sensors, or driving aids took over. It's mechanical, honest, authentic. This is what driving used to feel like before technology softened everything. The chassis might be almost 60 years old, but this Mustang still delivers something most modern cars can't soul. The steering isn't filtered through electronics. The throttle isn't delayed by digital maps. The engine sound isn't muted by artificial sound tuning. Everything is raw, real, and analog. You feel the road, you hear the engine, you smell the fuel, you connect with the machine. And that connection is what makes a classic Mustang magical. Walk around the exterior and the car radiates attitude from every angle. The front end with its iconic grille and galloping pony emblem, the sweeping body lines that run along the sides, carving the perfect profile. The Fastback roofline, arguably one of the most beautiful automotive designs ever created, flows elegantly into the rear, where the triple stacked taillights glow like red jewels. It's a design that has never gone out of style and never will. The 302 V8 sits proudly under the hood, usually dressed with a performance intake, upgraded carburation, and that unmistakable chrome air cleaner that lets you know this isn't just any engine. It's been built to perform, built to last. built to rule the road. Whether at idle or wide open throttle, the 302 has a refined brute force character that makes every drive feel like an event. If you've ever driven a classic Mustang, you know exactly what I mean when I say these cars have personality. They don't just transport you, they transport your memories, your emotions, your imagination. You can almost feel the energy of 1960s America in every bolt. The era of rock and roll, rebellious spirit, racing heritage, and the birth of the pony car movement. And this right-hand drive 66 Fastback blends all that history with the practicality and ease of life on modern roads. It's classic American muscle blended with international accessibility. Everywhere you take it, people smile, kids stare, adults nod, enthusiasts ask questions. Non-car people take photos. It's the kind of car that brings people together without saying a word. A rolling time capsule with the charisma of a movie star and the heart of a true performance machine. The 1966 Mustang Fastback is one of the most collectible Mustangs ever made, and when you add a clean RHD conversion and a strong 302 V8, you get something not only rare, but deeply desirable. A car you can show, drive, enjoy, and appreciate as an investment all at once. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol, a feeling, a chapter of automotive history that still writes new stories every single time the key turns. So if you're a classic car lover, a Mustang fan, or someone who just appreciates the beauty of pure mechanical art, this 1966 RHD Ford Mustang Fastback with the 302 V8 is one of the most captivating machines you will ever experience. Make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more legendary builds like this one.